Hello friends, in today's session we will learn applicability of e-invoicing and how to raise e-invoice in GST Common Portal. Firstly, we will see what is e-invoicing. E-invoicing or electronic invoicing is a system in which B2B invoices are uploaded in GST e-invoice portal, which will be electronically authenticated by issuing an IRN, that is invoice reference number, along with a QR code. The data uploaded will flow to GST Common Portal and e-Waybill portal. This will avoid uploading of B2B invoices for GSTR1 filing and also filing of or filling of Part A of e-Waybill. Now let's see the applicability of GST e-invoicing. Taxpayers whose aggregate turnover is more than 500 crore, e-invoicing is applicable with effect from 1st October 2020. Where turnover is more than 100 crore and up to 500 crore, it is applicable from 1st January 2020. And for those whose turnover is 50 crore to 100 crore, it is applicable from 1st April 2021. Now let's see how invoice is generated in GST invoice portal. There are two websites available, Trial Portal and Production Portal. Trial Portal has been given for taxpayers to familiarize the system and to generate sample e-invoices to get used to the system. And the Production Portal is the live or actual website where e-invoices are generated and is valid and will flow to GST Common Portal for tax payment and e-Waybill portal also. So, please ensure you are logging in correct ID or website before uploading the data. There are mainly 5 steps involved in generating e-invoice. Firstly, download the JSON preparation template. Secondly, fill the template with invoice details. Third, generation of JSON file. Fourth, uploading JSON in GST e-invoice portal. Fifthly, download the e-invoice generated. Now let's see how this is done in the GST e-invoice portal.
This is the home page of the e-invoice trial portal. I'll be showing the demo in the trial portal. Here you can see this e-invoice1.trial.nic.in, that is the trial portal. So firstly we have to download the JSON preparation template, which is a macro enabled Excel. So under the help menu, tools, bulk generation tools, click on the bulk generation tools option. You will be directed to this page. Here you can see JSON preparation tools. 4 types of templates are available, where the difference is mainly the number of sheets where the data is to be uploaded. For example, in the format A, B2B says an export and deemed export invoices, the details can be entered in one sheet. Format B, it is in 2 sheets. Format C, it is in multiple sheets. And format D, along with the invoice details, payment and reference details can also be filled in. So as per your convenience, you can use any of the sheets available. According to me, format A is more convenient because all the details can be filled in one sheet. The JSON preparation tool downloaded will be available in the download section of your system. Here I have opened the tool, that is the macro enable Excel. You can see various tabs here. It is the profile and invoice tab which is relevant to us. It is in this sheets we will be filling the details. Firstly, the profile details, where here we will fill the GSTN, name and address details of your business. Secondly, there is a questionnaire where you have to answer by yes or no. Based on the answer, columns will be added or hidden in the e-invoice sheet. So in the e-invoice sheet, you have to fill the details for uploading details of the invoice for uploading in the GST invoice portal. You have to fill the document details, buyer details, dispatch details, then shipping details, product details, batch details, value details, export details, then e-waybill details, etc. I'm not going in detail how to fill these columns because all these columns and details will be familiar to you. So in case of any doubts what these columns means or what is to be filled in, please comment. I will reply for the same. Here I have filled the template with the details. So we will check validating the JSON. Here there is a validate button. So to click the button. So here it is given the errors are shown in the column CH. So whatever the errors on validation will be shown in the last column. So please enter the mandatory details. Here I have not entered the total invoice value. So I am entering the total invoice value. So again I am validating. So the data validated successfully. So here click on the prepare JSON button to generate the JSON file. So JSON created in the downloads folder. This is the home page of the GST e-invoice portal. Here in the e-invoice tab, bulk upload, click on bulk upload. You will be directed to this page. Here browse the JSON file, open, click on the upload button. So the invoice detail has been successfully uploaded. We can download the JSON, download the invoice in JSON format, Excel format and PDF format. I am downloading it in the PDF format to show you how the invoice will look like. This is the invoice generated from the e-invoice portal. Here you can see the QR code, IRN number, that is invoice reference number, acknowledgement number, acknowledgement date, transaction details, party details, item details, etc. The invoice generated can be cancelled within 24 hours in the GST e-invoice portal. Using the IRN number or acknowledgement number, we can generate the e-waybill in the GST e-invoice portal itself. Hope you understood the concept of e-invoicing and how to generate a e-invoice in the GST portal. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Thank you.